Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza. First, gather your ingredients like flour, yeast, water, and salt. Ensure your kitchen counter is clean and ready for dough preparation. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother. You'll also need your favorite sauce, cheese, and toppings. Let's get started on creating a delicious homemade pizza. To begin, combine about 1.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast with warm water and a pinch of sugar, letting it foam for 5 minutes. Then, mix in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Knead the dough for approximately 5 to 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place it in an oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and stretch it to fit your pizza pan. Spread your preferred pizza sauce evenly over the base, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously add your favorite cheese and any desired toppings. Preheat your oven to 475 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pizza for 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. After baking, carefully remove your pizza from the oven. Allow it to cool for a few minutes on a rack before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Use a sharp pizza cutter to slice your delicious homemade pizza into individual portions. Serve immediately and enjoy sharing your culinary creation with family and friends. It's a perfect meal for any gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.